Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony and this is TC's Outdoors. So if you saw the last video, or maybe it was the video before, I'm not really sure. Depends on where how the timeline all lines up. But I was cutting all this poplar out here and I left that big log sitting on the my log table there with the intentions of I kind of left you hanging. Hopefully I left you hanging. Hopefully it brought you back. But we're going to get some work done on the Echo CS590. But before we do that, we're going to do some cutting with it. So I'm not exactly sure, maybe 2 or 3 videos ago, one of my roadside logging videos, Eric Slayer, I hope I'm saying that right, Sailor, Eric, it's Ease Hack Job Saws. He reached out to me and offered to do a port job and a muffler mod on the Echo CS590. So I thought about it for a minute, and I've seen a lot of good stuff happen with these saws after people have done, you know, some work to them. So I thought that'd be kind of cool to bring to the channel. So I agreed. We've been in contact back and forth. I'm going to get this saw off to him, and then when we get it back, we're going to do some cutting with it and compare. But today, real quick before it goes, I just changed the chain out. I put a Oregon Power Cut, full chisel, full comp, brand new out of the box. That way, you know, I haven't messed up the edge or anything, to give it as fair of a comparison as I can. I thought maybe I'll do like 2 or 3 cuts on that big giant log right there. I'm not exactly sure how it's bar length. I mean, it's about, I don't, can you see that? It's the best I've got. I know it's only poplar, but it's as good as it gets for right now as far as my wood yard. So I don't have much else to cut, and I want to be able to compare the saw between the now and then the later, you know, see what kind of performance gains we got. And so let me get you guys set up. I'll get the saw warmed up and we'll get cutting. Here we go. Definitely making some chips. Look at the pile of chips. Cut good. Last cut. Alright guys, there's the carnage. There's my 3 discs. I did make 4 cuts. Just the first cut, it just wasn't, the saw wasn't warm yet. It just kind of bogged out and hung up in the wood, and then so I finished cutting it, got the saw good and warm, and after that it ran pretty well. It was definitely working though. That full comp chain, even though it's only poplar, still having that bar length, the saw was really working hard to be able to pull that chain. It did an alright job, but I've been looking forward to see what it's going to do once I get it back. So look at the pile of sawdust back there. Holy smokes. Yeah, it was a good little run. So all right, when the saw gets back, we'll get back together and we'll figure this all out. See you in a bit. All right, guys, there it is over my shoulder. The saw is back. CS590 ported, freshly ported by Eric Sawyer, Ease Hack Job Saws. I'm going to throw his info in the description. I'll also tag him in the title if I can figure out how to do that. I've seen some guys doing that. We'll see if it works out. Go check his channel out. There's a little build series on this one. There's another couple of build series on some Holtz Forma saws. Jeez, Holtz Forma saws that he's done. Another one that headed my way, but the only way you're going to hear about that is go to his channel for now. So I've already done some test cuts, not really test cuts as much as just tuning the saw, and I can tell you just from the little bit that I've run it, it sounds badass and it runs way stronger. It is man, I couldn't get it to bog down. I was once I got it tuned and I was running one test cut through this poplar here, and I was leaning right on it and it just kept on chewing. It's pretty awesome. So I don't know how the times are going to work out, but we will see. Nonetheless, extremely satisfied so far, Eric. I appreciate it, bud. So like I said, check out his channel. Good guy. Just getting started on his YouTube journey, and if you guys could scoot over there and help him out, I'd appreciate it. So let's get set up and we'll get this thing going and get some time. So here we go. Are you guys ready for this? I don't know if you are. So there's a quick look at the pipe to give you an up close look if I can. So complete pipe built. It thing sounds sick. So here we go. Let me put my ear protection on. For sure need hearing protection now. Okay guys, so just ran in the house and checked out the times from the cuts, and the 3-cut average for the before was 27.09, and the 3-cut average for the after with the port job and the muffler or the pipe, it was 24.4, so just under 3-second savings in bar length wood. I mean, it's running a whole lot stronger. I can tell the way it's running. It just pulls. The first cut, I was leaning on it pretty hard, and it just chews. I mean, I can stop it. Sure, you know, if you really stand on it, I could stop it, but it just cuts so much stronger than it did before. If you watch the clips, you know, in comparison, before the muffler mod and the port job, you could absolutely stop the chain, no problem. Now you really gotta stand on it. You gotta be really beating on it to get it to stop. So pretty awesome. I couldn't be happier with it. Eric, you did a good job, bud. I appreciate it. Again, Eric reached out to me. You know, that's one of the awesome things of this YouTube community that we got going on here. You know, everybody just reaches out to one another, helping each other, and he's a small channel just getting started, and I'm a small channel, and I'm willing to help him, and he was willing to help me. This is awesome. So he did this for free. All I had to do was ship him the saw, so pretty rock and roll. I ultimately, you know, the pipe sounds smoking too. I can't get over how awesome it sounds. I don't think my neighbors are probably going to be in love with it, but that's you know, I only cut during the day, so it'll be okay. But yeah, so if you're into this kind of stuff, guys, I appreciate you guys hanging out, spending some time today watching my videos. And if you like this, please hit the like and subscribe, and share it with your friends if you could. And so yeah, until next time, guys, take care. We'll see you.